Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is me, your favorite girl, Anastasia, and I am back with another video. I know you guys are wondering what is going on Anastasia's hair. Guys, I can explain. Today's video is going to be a hair review video, and the wig I'm going to be reviewing today is from a company called Ula Hair. I have actually worked with Ula Hair before, and they have one of the best wigs out there. Like guys, they have one of the best wigs out there, and they sent me their V-part wig. I've been wanting to try out a V-part wig from Ula Hair because all their hairs are so quality, and they sent me this beautiful V-part wig that I'm going to be showing you guys. I just finished straightening this hair because this hair is a yaki straight hair, and I just like straighten it up so it should be really straight and it will blend well with my hair. And anytime you're ordering a wig from Ula Hair, you always get goodie in the goodie bag. Okay. There are some goodies in this goodie bag that I'm going to be showing you guys right now before I go ahead to install this beautiful wig. This wig came with a wig cap. Like y'all know that we always need wig cap. Okay, it came with a wig cap. It also came with this cute comb that has their name on the comb. It's so cute. It also came with lashes. Also came with some lashes, and it came with this card, and this card has like information on how to take care of your wig, and all the details on Ula Hair. Okay, so guys, let me explain what is going on my head, because I know you guys are wondering what is going on Anastasia's head. Okay guys, like I said earlier, this wig is a V-part wig. It is a V-part wig, and for you to install this V-part wig, because as you guys can see, there is no hair on this part, so you have to bring out your natural hair and blend it into the wig. And what I did was to take out some hair from the sides of my hair, like my edges. I took it out so that I can blend it with the V-part wig. And yeah guys, and I also braided my hair back. As you guys can see, I braided the rest part of my hair, as you guys can see, so that this clip on the hair would be able to stay on these braids so that the wig won't fall off. Okay, so that's the purpose of this clip. So what I'm going to do right now, the clips are open, so yeah, this is how to open the clips. Then you put the clip inside the braid and everything will stay in place. Okay,
gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.
guys, can you see how this hair looks like my natural hair? Can you see how this hair is giving? This hair is absolutely beautiful, and I am so in love with it. This hair actually blends well with my natural hair. Like, you can't tell me anything. This is my natural hair. I'm so happy and I'm so excited. You can see how it blends well with my hair. And guys, that is why it is so important for you to leave out some hair, some of your natural hair, so you can blend it in with the wig. You can blend the sides in with the wig, as you guys can see. You guys can see now. I can see how this thing is giving my real hair. I'm just going to try to, you know, hack some of the hair at the back and show you guys that this hair is just the best. You guys can see how it blends so well. I'm going to use my comb to hold it a little at the back. Okay, guys, can you see how this thing looks like my hair? Guys, can you see how it blends so well with my hair? I am so impressed with the texture of this wig. Guys, this wig is a must have. This wig is something that you need to get for Christmas. So I have a coupon code for this wig. Make sure you use my coupon code so you can save some money. And also do well to click on the title of this video, because it's going to take you straight to my description box. And all the information of this hair and how to purchase this hair is going to be in my description box. So you guys, make sure you click on the title so it can take you to my description box, babies. Yeah, just see how this thing, just may go do this beauty. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end, and remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to the channel. And also do well to purchase this hair from Ula Hair, because they have one of the best hairs out there. You guys can see how this thing blends well with my hair. You guys can see it's absolutely beautiful. Guys, I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye.